Well, I knew that I like challenges. I like when it's complicated and I need to untangle that sophisticated problem. I knew that I like this. I knew that I like construction sites since my childhood, but I did not expect that I will enjoy it that much. I completed Masters in Architecture in Russia. When I came to Canada, I started to look into job postings, into what I can do, and it was really hard to get even an interview. And many of jobs that I liked had in their description recommendation to have a George Brown degree or certificate. So I decided to look at the options that George Brown provided. The construction management program that I took is amazing because you have different kinds of people in the room. You have engineers, you have designers, you have estimators, you have people from all parts of the industry, so you can learn a lot from them. And later on, you have a lot of friends in the industry in various places. Currently, I work for Walsh Canada. It's a large general contracting company. What we do, we try to fix all the clashes, all the problems that may arise during construction beforehand. So when we go to site, we can build everything right from the first try. My current job was my field placement. On one of networking events, my career advisor connected me with my current boss.
Some of Alena's largest skills and strengths are her ability to multitask, ability to grasp different concepts.
My program helped me to become comfortable with asking questions. George Brown prepared me in that way that I feel more comfortable with networking, making friends. Wherever I go, if I say I'm from George Brown, there will be several people in the room who say, "Oh yes, me too, let's talk about it." And it's a great conversation starter.